used to live in the world of unheard, perplexed, downhearted, and solitary. On the spur of the moment, one came along to shade the lights of my misfortune. He listened with profound empathy, inevitable with facts of life and uncertainty, confirmation that everything will be okay, only to trust God if I could. His advocacy to love life as it comes, accept any challenges along the unknown paths. Gradually I commenced to trust my words. Inner strength is the key to uphold.